So we're unboxing something a little bit different today. This is the dji Osmo Mobile 2. This is a gimbal for the iPhone or Android phone. I got this at the Apple Store earlier today for $139.95. We're going to take a look inside. Now, I will be using this for a lot of future videos, so if you see any cool camera movements or anything that looks robotic, chances are it's probably filmed by this. I'm just going to interrupt myself here because in editing this video, I realized that there's not too much that I can really say about this to merit an entire voiceover while I'm unboxing this. So let me just give you the most important things about this. It's a gimbal, okay? It stabilizes your videos. The coolest thing about this gimbal is the app, though. It can go up to 4K 30 frames per second. It has a time-lapse, hyperlapse. You can do 360 photos with it. You can do panoramic shots. The app is really where all this is at. And it's the dji app. It connects remotely to the phone via Bluetooth, and it gives you all this cool little controls in the actual device itself. You're getting a max runtime of 15 hours on this, and it takes about 2 hours charging at 2 amps to get completely full. And you know what? That's really all I have to say about this thing. So enjoy the rest of the unboxing with some awesome stock music in the background. Hey, hold on, I changed my mind. I got something cool to tell you. It has a tripod mount on it, and you can charge your phone through this. That little USB thing is a full USB-A port. So, yeah, sorry about the stock music, but it's actually a really cool little product, and I've been using it a lot, and I hope to make some really awesome content for this channel with it. I will see you guys later.